All right, folks, welcome to the A Scene. It is Halloween, and we are also nearing the holidays. So today we have quite the sweet treat for you. Here's a taste of Georgia's largest bakery and sweet show coming next weekend with some of your favorite Food Network stars and all.
He's the man about cake on YouTube, dishing up sweet treats for celebrities like Atlanta housewife Kim Zolciak, Today Show host Kathy Lee and Hoda, to cakes that look like pizza, gargoyles, or major movie premieres.
We're making a cake for the premiere of Jurassic World: Fallen Kingdom.
His name is Joshua John Russell, the star of the Food Network Challenge, Last Cake Standing, and now NBC's Blueprint. But next weekend, he'll be the star in the Ultimate Sugar Show in Georgia.
So the girl who started this, Sid, has been a friend of mine for about 5 years. And yeah, so she's opened the show up to the public now, which I'm so excited about. So there's gonna be demos on the main stage. It's gonna be like this fun food festival for the whole family.
So I tested out some of those demonstrations. Starting with a simple cupcake, we lined the piping bag with some dye, filled it up with icing, then voila, a unicorn creation. Then Josh upped my skill level with the help of ganache. Whoops, the shine threw me off. But chocolate sprinkles make everything better. And hey, mom and dads, if your kid is really highbrow, try a fudge tart. Just drizzle and stir.
This stuff is not just on TV. It's not just on Food Network. It's actually here in Atlanta, in the South. There's phenomenal artists that are doing great things.
Owner of the Invested Foodie and show creator Sid Mitchell says the mission of the Ultimate Sugar Show is to teach people techniques like cake stacking and sugar molding. And they'll also offer classes to help you start a business.
This stuff has been going on, but people just don't know about it. And so with having the Ultimate Sugar Show, you get a chance to experience that as well as learn it if you want to.
Ooh, I just got a sugar rush just watching that. Ooh, I need my sugar. Food Network stars will also be there November 10th and 11th. And did I mention I'm your host that weekend? You know I had to be involved with the Ultimate Sugar Show. And you'll also see celebrity competitors like Reva Alexander, Hulk, Cake Wars, Cupcake Wars, Chef Lodge, who is actually the wedding cake planner for Princess Diana. There are so many great things about this show, so make sure you come out. And also, proceeds from one of the competitions will actually go towards Aflac Cancer and Blood Disorders. So a great show all the way around. Get your tickets.